Hey, I'm Vlad with The Verge here at CES 2019 and I'm here with the Razer Raptor, a 27-inch monitor that is the latest addition to Razer's Chroma family of RGB LED illuminated products. It's a 27-inch 2560 by 1440 display, IPS 1 millisecond refresh time. It has AMD FreeSync support. Razer is working with Nvidia to add G-Sync support. It is intended for gamers, and it does add a little bit of Razer's own brand of extra design. So what you get with it is you get aluminium on the frame, then you get aluminium and fabric on the back, and you get a forged aluminium stand. And here's a cool thing, you can pivot this thing back 90 degrees to give you really easy access to all the cables back here. It comes with 5 green cables. They come bundled with the monitor. One of them is for your choice of HDMI or display ports. One is USB-C, 2 of them are USB 8 pass-throughs, and one of them is for power. So this whole tilting thing is just to give you easy access to plug things in and out. And around the back there's a routing mechanism that just kind of makes it look like all the cables are just flowing out of the back of the monitor, which is, you know, just a cool design feature. So there are no buttons on the bottom, top, or sides of the thing. There's only this analog joystick over here, which turns it on and off, gets you into the menus, on-screen controls, and so on. So let's get the things I don't like out of the way first. I've seen better displays than this. I've seen deeper blacks, more saturated colors, better contrast. You know, Razer says there's 420 nits of brightness on this display, so it's bright enough, but it doesn't impress me on first sight. You know, that being said, I do like the flexibility of being able to adjust the height. I like the system that Razer has implemented with all the cables and just the way that it's color themed and synchronized. You know, I'm not myself a fan of Chroma, but the fact that it's here and the fact that it can sync up with, it's currently run via USB-C, via this Razer Blade laptop. You can sync it up with a laptop, you can sync it up with your desktop, and as I say, mouse pad and mouse and so on. There's definitely a sense of an ecosystem and a family of products here. So even though I criticize the contrast of this display, I do love the fact that it's matte. So maybe that's part of what loses some of that punchiness of the color. As somebody who hates the glare on his 27-inch iMac, I do really appreciate a large screen display with a matte screen which handles any light in the room with ease instead of giving me a mirror reflection. So unfortunately we weren't able to do the most important thing that you can do with a gaming monitor, which is play some actual games on it, but we can talk about its price. The 27-inch Razer Raptor will be available in the first half of 2019 for $699.